Sophie's Shopbox, and today we will be opening this Shopkins Food Fair candy collection and setting it up as a little scene. And let's get started. So, I got this yesterday. I'm just gonna cut it open. I got this yesterday for my birthday, and it's gonna be awesome because I cannot wait to hold all these cute little Shopkins. I already memorized their names. I might forget one, but yeah. I think I memorized them. Oh, open this! Okay, here we go. Let's see, their little shopping bag. It's so cute. Oh! This is so cute. Alright, the little paper thing in here. That is just too cute. We'll just put that over there. Over there. Oh! See, here's a little display case. I think I will name it Candy Shelf. I like that a lot. Okay, this fell over, so I'm just gonna put that back. Oh, this little scoop. Oh my god, it fits in there! It's so cute! Okay, let's see. This is Yummy Gummy Ring. See, you'll go good right there. No, maybe right there. Yeah. Okay. This is Mandy Candy Corn. We're friends. We're buddies. Okay. This is Berry Sweet Lolly. Isn't it cute? Hello, I'm Bottle Pop. Yeah, isn't it cute? Oh my gosh, his face is so cute. His eyes are like over crazy. This is Rapper T. Ah! Okay, this is Rapper T. She is, I think she's supposed to be like gum. She's like so cute. Just put you right there. This is Tootsie Cutie. She's a little Tootsie Roll. Isn't that just adorable? Okay, this one's Marshmallow Twirl. Oh, it's really so cute. Okay, you're just gonna go right here. Oh my gosh, this is my favorite. It's so cute. It's like a little gummy snake. And this gummy snake is so cute. Close that. Let's get this one open. You can go right there. You can. Actually, I think I'll put my favorites here, which would be Gummy Snake and Yummy Gummy Ring. Oh my gosh, I like gummies. Okay, let's try to get you again. You're hard to stand up. There, okay. Put this back. Now we can set them up more. Let's see. There you go. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Bye, Shopee!